A person is confident, wise, and respected by everyone.
The best thing of knowledge is that it grow up when you share it and never.
Money can lost, but knowledge is multiples.
Money can fill your pocket, but knowledge can fill your purpose.
Money may disappear, power may fade, and beauty can change, but knowledge is even forever.
Good morning, respected Ranjan sir and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to say, Ranjan sir, thank you to giving me this great opportunity. Today, I am here to speak on a topic that is power of knowledge. I have a question with you that you can tell me what is the thing that cannot be stolen from us. Yes, you know it that because it is only knowledge. It is that because no one can steal it from us. It is the greatest power in our life. Money can lost, but knowledge stays with us forever. As a great philosopher said, Francis Bacon said that knowledge is power. These three words are very powerful in our life. Knowledge help us to solving questions and getting jobs. In very things it help us in our life. I have to last with one line that if you want to be rich, then earn money. If you want to be remembered, then get knowledge, because money can fill your pocket, but knowledge can fill your purpose. Knowledge is power, but wisdom is knowing how to use that power. So thank you for listening me.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I am Vishal Bhardwaj, standing in front of you all to provide my thoughts on the topic of the importance of knowledge. First of all, I would like to thank to my teacher Ranjan sir for providing me the great opportunity to speak in front of you. And thank you all for thank you to all for giving me for being the best audience of your time. Now let's start with our topic, the importance of knowledge, with a beautiful questions, that is, what runs the world? What runs the world? Knowledge. The answer is knowledge. Knowledge. What is a knowledge? Knowledge is the knowing of what. Knowledge is of knowing anything that you know. What do you know? Like you know how to cook. That's a knowledge of yourself. You know how to write. That's your knowledge. You know how to communicate to one another. That's your knowledge. Knowledge helps us in our many ways. Knowledge helps us to get our freedom. Knowledge earns money, and money helps you to buy comfort. But knowledge helps to earn you money. Knowledge helps to get jobs. Knowledge helps to get jobs. It also helps to work in many fields. And knowledge also helps to build confidence. If you know anything betterly, then you can ask questions among the concept. That helps you to earn respect and success in front of the world. So I would like to end my thoughts on the importance of knowledge with a conclusion is money buys comfort. Money buys comfort, but knowledge earns respect. Knowledge earns respect and success. So never stop learning and getting knowledge. Thank you for all to listening to me very carefully. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello. Man. ओ भैया, क्या हो रहा है बताइए? कोई दिक्कत, कोई परेशानी, कोई तकल्लुफ? हाँ, कोई हमें चूड़ी भोंक देगा जो इतना डर लग रहा है? अरे गलती होगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अटक जाएंगे बीच में, फिर से शुरुआत करेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है? नहीं करने से बेहतर है कोशिश करना. Try your level best. Yeah, of course, man.
Good morning, respected Ranjan sir and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about a topic, power of knowledge. Knowledge is the greatest wealth in the world because no one can steal it. It helps us to make solve problems and achieve our goals. Every great invention and every better things brings with learning. Brings with learning.
Joya, so that you are actually Lotus of this Lotus Valley School, right? So,
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning all of you. First, I would like to thank Ranjan sir because his work to developing our speaking skill is strong. Today's topic is the importance of knowledge. The importance of knowledge. Just imagine there are two persons. One has 1,000 rupees in his pocket and the other has one idea in his pocket. After 1 year, who will be the richer? The person with idea, because money can lose, but knowledge is multiples.
oh, very nice. Very nice.
Tell me you a small story. There was a village, there was no doctor. One boy can read books of medicine. He has not degree, but he has knowledge. When people sick, he helps them. Today's the village call him Dr. Sahib. This is the power of knowledge.
Very good.
APJ Abdul Kalam starts with nothing. No better college, no money, but he has dreams and knowledge. By this, he gave the missile to India. My friends, always remember, don't collect marks, collect solution, collect skills, collect knowledge, because degree is on the wall, but knowledge works in the field.
Very nice.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, Joya.
Good morning, all of you. I am Preeti Suman. I read in class 8. First of all, thank you to Ranjan sir for giving me this great opportunity. So, today I am here to speak on the topic that is power of knowledge. We all know that knowledge is the one of the greatest treasure in life. Education gives us knowledge and knowledge gives us confidence.
Oh, very nice.
So remember, knowledge is the key to success and a bright future. Knowledgeable person is confident, wise, and respected by everyone. It helps us make right decision and solve problem in our daily life. It teaches us a difference between right and wrong and helps us become a responsible citizen.
Very good, very good.
Thank you everyone for listening to me.
Respected sir and my dear classmates, a very good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you Ranjan sir to giving me this great golden chance. Today I am here to share my thoughts on the topic of power of knowledge. Yes, power of knowledge. Knowledge is a magical bank. Knowledge is just like a magical bank account. The more you spend from it by sharing others, the more your knowledge increases. No thief can steal it, no fire can burn it, and no one can take it from you. It is your entirely forever.
Very good, very good.
Just like a small candle removes darkness from a room, knowledge removes ignorance from your mind and shows right path for your life. It teaches us difference between what is right and wrong. Physical strength does not gives people stronger. True power is not come from money, it comes from mind and wisdom. Look, APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami Vivekananda, they do not carry weapons and wear expensive clothes. Swami Vivekananda won the heart of the whole world with just his powerful words of wisdom, and Dr. Kalam, a simple boy who sold newspaper, become our president and missile man of India. Their story shows that knowledge can turn a simple person into a global hero. My dear classmates, remember this: knowledge is not just getting a good marks in exams. It is about how can we behave and learn Before I close, I want to say a mark sheet can only give us a job, and exam can only check our memory, but a true knowledge check our character and build our humanity. Thank you for your time and kind attention. Have a wonderful day ahead.
A very shine and fine good morning to all of you present here. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much to Ranjan sir to giving me a great opportunity to come here in the beautiful session that is public speaking, right? Now it's time to introduce myself. This is Ankit and I stand before you and I'm here to tell about the one of the greatest power in the universe, that is the power of knowledge. So let me start with some quotes. That is, a single spark can light the 1,000 lamps, and a single piece of knowledge can brighten the 1,000 lives. Knowledge is not just about reading books and remember facts. It is light that removes the darkness of eagerness. And money may disappear, power may fade, and beauty can change, but knowledge is even forever. So let's remember, all things in the universe that can disappear or change, but knowledge is the one of the greatest power that is not disappear. So always focus on the gaining of knowledge. The more we grow, the more we learn. The more we grow, the more we inspire the world. History proves that every great achievement began with a curious mindset, and every invention and every discovery was found because someone dared to ask why and how. In today's fast changing the world, information is everywhere, but knowledge is specific, that who thinks deeply and ask question fearlessly. At the last, I would like to say, knowledge is power, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Knowledge is the key to unlock the golden door to freedom. And now it is my last lines, that is, no thief can rob the knowledge, because the knowledge is the best. But knowledge is the best things that so safest treasure. Have a nice day. Thank you for listening me. Have a good day. Thank you.
A very good morning to my dear friends and respected teacher. I am Iksharani from class 8 and today I am present here to speak on the topic the power of knowledge. It is often said that knowledge is power, but I believe knowledge is much more than power. It is freedom. It frees us from fear, ignorance and limitations. Knowledge is not something that we collect. It is something we become.
Very good. Very nice.
It teaches us to think before we speak, to understand before we judge, and to learn before we lead. Every discovery, every invention, and every positive change in the world started with someone who was willing to learn. As students, we often celebrate high scores, but years from now, people will not remember how marks we scored. They will remember our ideas, our kindness, and the way we used our knowledge to help others. A single book can change a thought, a single thought can change a person, and a single person can change the world. That is the silent power of knowledge.
Very good.
So let us not chase knowledge only for success. Let us seek knowledge that makes us wiser, kinder, and brave enough to make a positive change.
Very nice.
Because in the end, it is not measured by how much we know, it is measured by how much we do good with what we know. So thanks a lot for listening me and have a nice day.
Very good. Very
Good morning, everyone. First of all, Ranjan sir to giving. Sorry. First of all, thank you to Ranjan sir to giving me this opportunity. Today, I am stand as you to speak on a topic that is power of knowledge. We are often said here to knowledge is power, but what does that really mean? Thinking of you or a torch in a dark room. Without it, you stumble around and afraid making mistakes. With it, the rooms light up and you can see exactly where we walk. Knowledge gives us power in three simple key ways. First, it creates freedom. When you know the fact, no one can trick easily or fool you. You can think yourself and make your own decisions. It creates opportunities. Knowledge doesn't care where you come from and how much money does you have. If you work hard to learn a skill, if you work hard to learn a skill, door will open for you. It solve problems when you faces tough challenges. Knowledge gives us knowledge help us to figure a way to through it instead giving up. The best thing of knowledge is that it grow up when you share it, and never mind runs is a space to learn more. And so my today's simple message is never stop asking questions, read books, try new skills, and the people's in a today world changes every day. People's are also skills who will shape the future. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you, each and every present here. Myself, Farwaz from class 8, and today I am going to speak some lines on the topic power of knowledge. Before getting to the point, I would like to thank Ranjan sir for giving me this great opportunities. So Ranjan sir is very good teacher and teaches us motivate ourselves for learning something new. Let's start with a question. The question is that what is knowledge? The knowledge is a power. Knowledge is respect. Knowledge is respect. When you get knowledge, then knowledge give you respect, and when you give respect, then you give money, and so study hard to gain knowledge, and learn something different from new days gives a new chance to learn something new. So I would like to end my word with these words. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. So these people and so these persons, right, that you are actually lotus of this Lotus Valley School, right? Anubhav, show your power, show your capability. ये सब बंदा जो है बस केवल फ्री फायर में जो है ना अपना पावर दिखाते हैं, किधर ये हेडशॉट मारते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे टाई फीस हो जाता है. देखो उधर पीपल, उसको देखो उधर, राइट? सो मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम कर सकता. ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बंदा है, स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Good morning, all of you, respected Ranjan sir and my dear friends. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a world without knowledge. There would be no doctors, no schools, no inventions, no progress. Knowledge is the light that turns darkness into hope. Many people think power comes from money or muscles, but history proves money is different. Every great invention and every revolution and every success began with a powerful thing, knowledge. The strongest weapon in the world is not a sword. It is an educated mind. Do not chase shortcuts. Chase knowledge because when knowledge walks with you, eventually success follow with you.
Very good. Very nice.
I would like to end my these words. A rich person on a world, but a knowledgeable person can change it. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you.